I was just sent this garden bed, and I'm pretty excited because this supposedly is really corrosive resistant, meaning it's got 2 layers of zinc and 1 layer of steel on it. It is going to be a 4 foot by 2 foot by 1 foot high, and it says you can assemble it all by hand with all the tools provided. I'm pretty excited about it, so let's open up the box and see what's in here. This comes in a really small box, and it's not that heavy, so it comes with the instruction guide here that shows how to put it together. It looks like it's pretty simple of how to put that together, and all the screws that are meant to go together along with the nuts for the back side. It also has a support bracket that goes across the middle, and one feature that I really do like about this particular kit is that it does come with 2 things. One, a set of gloves so you don't cut yourself while you're putting it together. These are about a medium-sized glove. I've got large hands, so I may not end up using these, but if you did put this together, that's a nice feature to have. And this right here is a nice rubberized protective ring that can go around the top, so that'll prevent you from possibly cutting yourself on it in the future. It has a total of 10 panels. There's going to be 6 of these curved ones that go on the end, and 4 of these middle ones that kind of just extend it out, making it that 4x2 shape. It does come with all of the screws, nuts, bolts, everything that you need to put this thing together. And it also, I'm really happy to see that it does come with a little wrench as well as the actual proper screwdriver, not just a wrench head. So we're going to take this little bolt here and this nut, we're going to feed it through from the outside into the inside here, and then just get that started. Attach this on there and then screw it in from the other side. Okay, there is an optional support strut that you can put across the middle of this. To install that, they comes with a couple of longer bolts. They typically recommend putting them about the 3rd one up. So we're going to go ahead and put that on first. And why you put these longer ones on is to allow for this piece then to slide over, and we'll put another nut on the back side of there. Now that we've got these put together, you can kind of spread this out just a little bit and put a center bolt in there and bolt that together. Provided you with this nice piece here that you just have to go around the top and press this over the edge. And as we push this down on here, it'll provide a nice edge. That was super easy to assemble. We're really looking forward to gardening for many years to come.